Hello everyone, so what's up guys, welcome back. This is Green Pips FX. So hope you guys mko poa. Green Pips wish you a happy new week. So niko hapa kufanya breakdown ya USD card. Hope you know the vibe guys. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, remind you guys usisahau kusubscribe, like na comment. Please guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel as you guys want to get new videos, new. If you want to be the first viewer, usisahau kusubscribe. Kama unataka kuwa viewer kwanza kabisa kwenye YouTube channel yetu, usisahau kusubscribe, bonyeza alama ya kengele iliyopo pembeni yako hapo, comment anything you feel like commenting and Green Pips will immediately respond to your comments. Love you guys. So let's dig into the chart. This is USD card. Hapa ni monthly time frame. Nitakwenda kufanya breakdown ya USD card monthly time frame. So mimi actually, and I will base on this structure here. This structure hapo is where I'll base. Sasa nikija kwenye monthly time frame, I see a great support, a great resistance hapa. Hii ni resistance ambayo ilikuwa obeyed muda wote. Hiyo ni resistance ambayo ilikuwa obeyed muda wote. As you can see, kila lipo touch, market attempt to go back to the support areas, then again resistance, again to the support. So nitachora support around these areas hapo. Market level tap kwenye support, ikago to the resistance, support, resistance, support. Seems like a sideways trend. So let's dig into lower time frames ili tupate kujua if it is really shortly that if it is really a sideways move, kama kweli ni sideways ama. And I see a simple resistance here. I put this horizontal, taika hii horizontal maeneo hayo. So as you can see, market ilipofika hapa ilikuwa attempt to go back to the resistance area, and again this is the short term resistance. As you can see, ilikuwa obeyed all these areas around there. Tutashuka kwenye weekly time frame tupate kuona more on the details. Kwenye weekly time frame I'll base only on this chart area here, tunaweza tukapata structure nzuri. So I'll just pick my trend around that area. Just pick my trend around that area. As you can see, it is an upward trend. It is an uptrend kama unavyoweza kuona. So hope you guys see clearly these charts around these areas. So kama unavyoweza kuona, it's clear an uptrend. So higher high to higher low, higher high to higher low, higher highs to higher low, but failure to create new higher high around this area here. So let's dig into day time frame. We're gonna see what was happening. So we see this was the previous higher high and market failed to create new higher high. So it's kind of double top around this area. Kuna pattern ya double top hapa. This is the first top, and as you can see we have the second top around this area here. That is our second top. So this market USD card seems to create double top, and as we know the structure of double top, how we are dealing with double top, we look at the first leg towards the first top, then that was the neck toward the second top. So we expect this market first piece to be around the first leg. It should push more down to break the previous first leg, that area, as you can see, that area. So if you're dealing with double top, this is how we deal with this market. So before we break into this, we have to, after we break or before, we have to come back onto our neckline for further push down. So hope you guys clearly get what I am talking about. So we'll go back digging into our chart, dealing with our chart. On the daytime frame, we see that is our double top, so kind of simple support around this area here. simple support around this area here. So I'll put my support around that area here, simple support. So as you can see market, as you can see clearly, so market after tapped the trend, the resistance trend, clearly touched the support line and back to resistance trend before touching the support again. So we dig in into 4 hours time frame. Let's take in into 4 hours time frame. So we see a clearly head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. This is a clearly head and shoulder pattern, as that is the left shoulder towards down there na kile ndo kichwa to the another move here, and we move to the right shoulder before breaking the neck line around that area. So hii hapa ni head and shoulder pattern. Kwa hiyo tunaona bega la kushoto, alafu this is what we call kwapa, and that is head, kichwa, na hapa tena ni kwapa, and that is another right shoulder, ni bega la kulia. So how we are dealing with this kind of patterns, how we are dealing with them, tunadili nazo kamba first push toward the bega la kushoto, second push toward the kwapa, and we push further up towards to make head, then we come back to make another one. So we will have another right shoulder over there. So we have to break further and come back to the neckline before taking another more down pushes. So neckline, this is our neckline. As you can see, this is our neckline. So we attempt this market to come and tap the neck, to come and do some resistance, to come and do some resistance, some retest around the neckline. So after the retest, we expect further push down to create new lower lows. So hope you guys get me really clearly. So back on the chart, guys, back on the chart, we expect this market to come and sell beyond these areas, around these areas here maybe, and take a upward push towards the retest the neck for more down pushes. So for more down pushes, we'll take these shorts, we expect these shorts around till around these areas here down. So there are a lot of pips down there. So hope you guys will take these pips without missing them. So this is a swing trade, and I expect this market to come and start doing a bearish move. So I expect this market will just tomorrow, which is Monday, will just take some pushes there till that area there for more down pushes. So I expect that thing on Monday to come and do some retests. So on Tuesday, we expect this market to sell even more. So hope you guys get me really well and clear. Going into ICT trading strategy, so we come to down lower time frame. So that's the 2 hours time frame. So we had this kind of change of character in this market, since we had an uptrend around this area till the trend was break, So this was the higher low, so failure to create new higher high, attempt to change of character in this market. So I'll just cut off this previous higher low around this area and call that is a church change of character. We call that a church change of character. That is where the market changed its character. So we expect after the changing of the market changing its character, we expect the chart to go back into the order block. For instance, we had an upward push. That is an upward push. So we expect this shit to happen then further